Nothing Bundt Cake is known for its delicious and fun bundt cakes. They top their specialty bundt cakes with a mouth-watering cream cheese frosting. Fortunately, there is a delicious Nothing Bundt cream cheese frosting recipe that you can make at home. This recipe is easy to make and does not require any baking experience. Not only does this cream cheese frosting pair great with bundt cakes, but it also goes great with any of your baked goods. You are sure to impress your friends and family with this easy and creamy frosting recipe. What is this cake? Nothing Bundt Cakes was started by bakers Dina Tripp and Debbie Schwetz with the goal to share their delicious, readily available cakes. Thanks to their desire to only use real and fresh ingredients, their business quickly grew nationwide. Each of their bakeries has a warm and inviting feel to it, with the most delicious bundt cakes. They make beautifully decorated cakes for many special occasions, such as baby showers, birthdays, gender reveals, holidays, and sporting events. They offer many tasty bundt cake flavors such as chocolate chip, classic vanilla, red velvet, white chocolate raspberry, confetti, carrot, lemon, marble, and pecan praline. They are well known for the amazing cream cheese frosting that they add to their bundt cakes. Its velvety smooth taste makes the perfect sweet treat when paired with their bundt cakes. They are famous for their thick frosting petals that create a signature look for their cakes. Picking the best ingredients. When making this cream cheese frosting recipe, it is best to use real and fresh ingredients. When selecting cream cheese, real full-fat cream cheese in brick form is best to use. It has the least amount of water and is easy to use. You will want to avoid using whipped or spreadable cream cheese because they will change the consistency of the frosting. These types of cream cheese tend to have more water, which leads to a runny frosting. For this recipe, it is best to use real butter and not imitation butter or margarine. It is also ideal to use real sugar and avoid using artificial sweeteners. Using only real ingredients will give it a pure and delightful taste. A versatile frosting. Not only does this frosting go great with bundt cakes, but it tastes great with several other desserts. It has a great sweet taste that complements many baked goods. This frosting also goes great with cinnamon rolls, brownies, red velvet cake, carrot cake, and sugar cookies. This frosting is also easy to work with. It works great for piping decorations and is easy to spread. However, it does not hold up well if it is in warm temperatures. What you will need for this Nothing Bundt Cake frosting. For this recipe that is just like the famous Nothing Bundt Cake cream cheese frosting, you will need 8 ounces softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup softened butter, 2 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. To prepare this frosting, you will need a large bowl and an electric mixer. Using the whisk attachment will allow the frosting to achieve the best texture. Make sure that the butter and cream cheese are softened before making this recipe. You do not want them to be melted, otherwise, the frosting will not achieve a creamy, fluffy texture. If the cream cheese and butter are too cold, it may cause the frosting to curdle. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese and butter until it reaches a light, fluffy consistency. Mix in the vanilla extract until the mixture is fully combined. Step 2. Add the powdered sugar and beat together for several minutes until the frosting is smooth and creamy. You may add more powdered sugar to reach your desired taste. Be careful to not overmix the frosting, as it will lose its form and become runny. Tips and tricks. To frost your bundt cakes just like Nothing Bundt Cakes does, fill a piping bag with the frosting and a round piping tip. Take the piping bag and start at the outside edge of the cake. Squeeze the piping bag while moving upward in a straight line to the center of the bundt cake. This creates a simple and elegant design. This frosting comes out off-white, so you may add food coloring to reach your desired shade. Gel-based food colorings work best with the texture of cream cheese frosting. Cream cheese frosting can safely be stored at room temperature for up to 2 hours. When not being served, cream cheese frosting should be stored in the fridge to keep it fresh and avoid any foodborne illnesses. Cream cheese frosting can stay in the fridge for up to 3 days and in the freezer for up to 1 month. Storing cream cheese frosting in the fridge can also help thicken it. You may also add up to half a cup of cornstarch to thicken your frosting. If you don't want your cream cheese frosting cold, you can let it sit out until it reaches room temperature before serving it. If you prefer a less sweet taste to your frosting, you can add a dash of lemon juice. The acidity from the lemon juice will help balance out the rich, sweet taste of the frosting. It will only add a subtle lemon flavor to the frosting. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.